Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we leave Konya, we go for Eskişehir. Yesterday we talked to a guard at the Mevlana Museum and he told us that at 8 o'clock there's a show there, the dervish dances. So we went to our room after visiting the museum, slept for a while, then came out at 7 o'clock maybe, went to eat something, then went to the museum to see the Mevlana again, to see the dervishes, the swirling dervishes. We reached the location, just a guard there telling us, no, today it's cancelled, no show today, tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the evening, 300 meters in front. Yeah, but tomorrow, here we are, tomorrow, like. I was a bit upset because I wanted to see the dances, the dervish dances. It will have to be a next time then.